our papa then they talk and say, no matter how we die, head die, strong reach, no how, gray hair go still find a way to fit it come out. One way or another, you must come out. Spread the hair tire, you go come out. Now another bunga program now where we just still there, so they talk about UAC Soccer Lifelines. And there as usual, we dey here to make all the things that make it take jolly for now. And now UAC and I make this one possible. And not be only me dey here. I dey here with Biola Kazim. How you doing, my brother?
Yeah, good to be here. How you doing?
I dey fine.
You look very ripe.
Abi, like twins called me, say I be popo. He just remember they chop me. And thank God we not can get cleans today. Thank God that they happy because in trouble too much. But we dey fit manage Kofi, the guru. We the fit manager.
I don't well.
He's saying don't well.
You know say I don't well, did they?
Yeah.
November 9, now well.
And I did it.
I don't well. November 9, 2014, now well.
And this is September.
Well, who sabi calendar shall check out well. November 9, 2014, I don't well, you know. So
nah, but at least with the film manager, you still better.
The team.
It's still better. But then we just quickly take this message from UAC. When we come back, we go begin giving all the etc. things. Then when we get here, make sure no go anywhere. When they come back, our people they talk and say, know how when the nose won't be reach when danger come, you know if you smell them. UAC Soccer Lifeline, the Obonga program where you they hear all the etc. things. Then we concern the world of soccer.
You know, say I played that ball as goal for my mind.
As one guy wants score ball, he no score. Make can open mouth say, man, I for score this ball. Now if let's say talk. Say if na me I for score this ball. Now they look me. Can you say waiting? Me can say I for score this ball. I shut up. I fella continue. What were you saying?
UAC Soccer Lifeline. My name is Dayo. Make I catch you for TV, nothing mega.
Being the foremost property developer in the country, UPDC is perfectly positioned to help investors take advantage of this growing opportunity. Our structures are renowned for their exceptional aesthetic value and their phenomenal returns on investment.
Our vision is to be #1 real estate solution provider in whatever market that we have chosen, and we're going to continue to try our best to ensure that we do all that we do to remain #1 in this segment.
If you enjoy urban living at its finest, then our fine selection of luxury apartments are for you. Take time out to browse through our property portfolio, and we're sure you'll find the ideal investment choice for you. UPDC, building for sustainable value.
UAC Soccer Lifelines, the Obonga program where you watch right now, and then we will enter the popori, the pump of the popori, you know, the bottom pump. Now that level now, I will with the carry go. And then Biola, Nigeria football, we don't become 54 years.
54, Nigeria run the bros more.
We don't become bros.
Not the bros.
But then our football history, I don't know as you go take see and whether we don't do well. Because so far, for Nations Cup, now 3 times we don't win.
Yeah, 1980, 1994, and then 2013 in South Africa.
Yes, we don't also win. Golden Eaglets don't win 4 times too.
Yep, that one 1985, won in 1993, won in 2007, and then won last year as well in Abu Dhabi.
Then I remember Olympic. Olympic.
One day, Papilo, you go make us proud.
You go make us proud. Papilo. That one Atlanta no go.
Now that one ended this their Brazilian Oga career.
No, there many Zagallo, all
of them.
No comment.
Now that Olympic end their career.
Anyway, my own team when they ever lead they support that one Enyimba. Then self no fall hand for CAF. They don't try to. 2 times now they don't win.
Won 2002, 2004. Before they won in 2002, they call on the elusive Champions Cup because Nigeria.
That 2002 have been at 3.
2000, I think it was 2003 and 2004.
2000 and something.
Yeah, 2003 and 2004.
Yeah.
Before 2003, Nigeria so far. We go play. We no go win. So the Nigerian journalist going to write the elusive Champions League because imagine since they not start Champions League.
We know
the first time we winner.
You know some of the
2003.
Some of the team that time. One Lookman guy the day. Luku. No, anywhere where Luku dey.
Which Luku be that?
Who be Luku?
Anywhere where Luku dey is elusive. You know
so who gonna be a Luku for him?
You know, no say Yoruba boys they migrate go east. Once they no qualify for shooting here, they'll go there, go begin Biennamdi. Hustle.
Okay, then definitely you know go rule out our women from Falcons to Falconets. They don't try heavily.
Falcons don't win African Women Championship tire. I think they've won all of the episodes except 2, I think. And the Falconets, they still entered final last month.
Yes.
And I think 4 years ago in Germany,
yes,
you know, they got into the final as well. So I mean, the Falconets have done, they come up. I mean, overall in 54 years, you can say that Nigerian football, you know, has performed creditably well. When you compare with say Egypt, you go and look, say, we should have been doing a lot better. But then again, you know, 3 African Nations Cup titles. Like we don't win gold medal for Olympic. Egypt never win. The things what our girls them they do. Egypt no fit try. Our under 17 boys, the things where they do. I'm not even sure say they get under 17 for Egypt. They don't even show face at all. So you know, across by the time we had everything all up. I mean, I think that Nigeria has had a phenomenal 54 years as a footballing country. The whole world, you know, if you travel, once you just open taxi for Turkey, for
everywhere,
you just say Nigeria, Okocha,
yes.
You know, at least our football are brand and people take and identify us.
Now where I won't go with that, say, all these 54 years, waiting to me, say we win La Liga, and then we win Premiership.
For 54 years.
These 54 years, now the only 2 things will sweet me, but I say
Nigeria.
We win La Liga. Yeah, we win La Liga, we win Premiership.
For on top of your game, Abi.
These 2 people where you mentioned.
The on top of the game where they play for.
Kano no win Premiership.
Kano win Premiership.
We no win La Liga.
Who win La Liga?
Go check out now.
This guy, you don't come. No facility come here, come do.
Check out. No be say.
You don't be like I miss Clint.
Like come be like say Clint won't come better pass you. Because you be like say you got the top point. And you say you don't.
I just full on a laugh. Go check La Liga where. Every time where we win La Liga, there must be a Nigerian in that team. Anytime, go check. Now forget say now how to make people they go change name. Now that one me make Nigeria go.
Atletico will win last year. Nigerian player no dey now.
Go check well. Forget to this bleaching. Not be only women they bleach you. Not be only women they bleach. Some men where they see for Obodo where they play for these teams. Now Nigerian guy will bleach. You just tell it now. Go check. Go check. Nigerians are everywhere. These 54 years, we have not only won for ourselves, we have won for other nations. Now I won't make they understand. We did win for other people.
So you try to say Nigerian fit dey part of these Germans when we walk up.
Go check well. Go check that their coach where they see. So that man when no grieves, just no smile. I sure say na name with that man for come. Go check.
No, what you concern name with people for this matter?
I just tired.
Check his name now.
Joachim Love.
What you call him?
Joachim Love.
What you call him?
Joachim Love.
Now Joachim, not be Joachim.
Not Joachim. No, start here. I go start.
Not be Joachim.
Not Joachim. I said no with the man from God. There's a Nigerian in every successful football team on earth. Me, I know. Go check. There's no place on earth where you don't go see Nigeria. Even country where we never did. Nigerian they there. They will say no, don't worry. They will come and start our country here. Let's just wait. Go check. We have these 54 years. We are undermining our progress. We have done more than what I'm seeing.
Now that will be your own argument.
Yes, those are our girls now. Falconets. I feel the government should just upgrade them. Make them do surgery for them. Come out all these things. Make them enter boot, grow some tick laps, grow beer for leg, enter Super Eagles straight. Make you see what those guys go do for field.
Because they won't play, but men they cut their sin.
I don't say cut anything. I just say there are, surgery there you can, as Dr. 902 they bring out, you can also do reverse and take in. So that when the chest ball, the ball is going to say yes, something hit her. But sometimes the ball lands on a soft landing, so it doesn't move effectively. If the ball land on top bone, it going to say yes, today, not today. You fire the whole thing. What are you telling me?
Clint for better.
Just tire for you.
I beg Clint, where you
I don't well now.
You don't well. We know.
These Falconets should be in the Super League. They should be upgraded.
We know. Anyway, so far we go say big ups to Nigerian people. They don't try. Congratulations to them. As far as they concerned, Nigerian team so far, we don't try for football.
Yeah, I mean in Africa, we're not the most successful teams.
We don't try.
And across the world, even though we never to win at the senior level,
give us another accolade. They say
we too much.
Yes.
Why they shout?
I
Calm
just
down.
tire.
We win cup now.
Why they? We don't win cup.
When we say we dey try, now still praise be we dey try now.
We
No,
just dey talk
we too
general
much.
thing.
We win cup.
We no win. We never win. We just dey
We
talk.
never we never win World Cup for instance.
For where?
You dey shout. You dey shout.
Biola no try am. No try am. This is what we talk
Nigeria never win World Cup.
UAC go enter this matter with us now. See, I'm telling you, we don't win World Cup. Go check. Go check.
Senior World Cup.
Go check.
Which
check.
year?
As far as I'm concerned, this Brazil World Cup will go now. We win am. Yes, go check all the teams wey enter that second round.
Yeah.
Which team them beat? Like the way we them beat. No, anybody. They not even beat us. That Argentina, they not beat us.
Or France.
They not beat us because as far as I'm concerned, if we fit play like that 2-1, they not beat us. So because the way we them beat other people, the host country collect 7. No, now we win that World Cup. Now we win that World Cup.
Okay.
We don't hear.
I don't hear you.
We don't hear. We'll just recap so that people will know what we truly win. We've won 3 Nations Cup titles.
God bless you.
In
Yes.
1980, in 1994, as well as 2013.
God
We
bless
won
you.
4 under 17.
Yes.
In 1985, Nduka Agbadin at the captain.
Yes, JVC,
1993,
that year.
1993. Now that time, this guy come out. Kanu,
Kanu.
Oruma, they are
Yes,
all.
Oruma,
Clarido
God bless you.
Ojigwe.
God bless you.
Nine then come out.
Let me Isa na be the first.
Celestine Mabayaro, let me inside there. Fataya Tere, na be the first set.
Yes.
Then 2007, na there Femi Opabumi
Opabumi
them.
dey.
Victor Brown,
Victor Brown,
na then
yes,
take
yes.
win.
Then 2013.
And then Yana Cho, you know,
Iheanacho,
Isaac
all of them,
Success, all
which
those small boys,
eh.
Alan Pasu, yeah, you know, all those ones. That why I did the field when they win the World Cup.
Yes, sir.
I hold
Yes.
the World Cup like this for Abu Dhabi. I hold it for my hand. I look, say, okay, even though I'm not under 17, I have held the trophy.
You held the
You
trophy.
understand?
Anyway,
this
and
World Cup
definitely
wey
I don't
end.
go forget the Atlanta own. Say we do. We show Brazil.
No, Atlanta, leave Atlanta.
We show Brazil.
Na girl na they know say we be elder bros.
For
I waiting be that guy name again, no, not Donga. That one before Donga, that fine one. We did the
Bebeto.
Bebeto. Now that year,
No, Bebeto cried.
He cried.
He never see this kind of thing before.
I don't even forget the match.
Because that time I small.
JJ
I
did that.
did
No,
JJ Kanu
Now
day.
that one, na Bebeto they cry when picking they ask her for her. Say, Daddy, why were you crying? When JJ Okocha he said I was looking for your school fees. Finish on that year now.
Because the team where Brazil carry come the Olympics, no be here.
Eh now.
Roberto Carlos, Ronaldo before he come to carry Ronaldo. That year Ronaldo we won player of the year.
Yeah.
They carry Bebeto come.
They carry Bebeto.
Nobody will look at
Their team full.
them.
So
Dida
don't
and
say-
their keeper.
Don't say we did.
As
Try.
in-
Don't say we try.
If now by
Too
paper.
much.
In fact that day. No, for
See,
Nigeria don't do
Kanu.
some things.
Like say make I stand up.
I don't give up.
See carry. He just do that. So for your life, they do some things where they say now only one off you go do them. Endorsement follow your life.
That's so now.
You go just you don't need to talk. You just say
You go make us proud.
say this is what I did some years ago. I just sneaked in the ball. I do like say I know where. Just sneaked in the ball. I just enter we win.
All right, though. But
Generally, we
Nigerian
can be
people
proud.
don't try. No,
We can be proud. We can be very, very proud.
We don't do well.
We can look back and say we've done some really, really fantastic things as a
yes.
That
footballing
try
nation.
now one more kuna come out.
Yeah.
We don't do well. We don't do well.
We don't do
Eh,
well. But we never win World Cup.
But we never win World
More
Cup.
no
But we dey
confused
go
people.
there.
We never win World Cup.
We dey go there.
We never win
My
World Cup.
own World Cup we win.
We
Now.
never which hand
Lion.
now inside your house on top of your PS or whatever you dey play for house.
All right, make you for no too loss. We they come back. Make we quickly take this message from UAC. Now then bring us come here. No go anywhere.
Batusi for me, for the Nigerians, could just hit it. Came on the back. This is Kanu. Ita! The captain has won the game for Nigeria. The man who's saved the game for Nigeria takes them into the final. And what a celebration that is! Well, I talked about him actually doing something special, and he's certainly done that. 2 goals out of nothing. Brazil are out. Nwankwo Kanu of Ajax. Just 19 years of age. What a moment for him. And while the Brazilians, the Nigerians celebrate, look at the Brazilians. They had the game won. They had Argentina in the final in 2 nights' time in their sights. But Nigeria's spirit never died. And that giant skipper of theirs, Kanu, with an opportunist goal on the stroke of full time, has won the game with less than 4 minutes of extra time played. Came to him off the back of Ikpe Baral, unfortunately, but he knew what he was doing from then onwards.
Been the most extraordinary game. It really has, from start to finish. The way it started, 90 seconds, and Nigeria go one down, and they come back time and time again. Of course, now they're in the final.
And Africa, the coming power in world football, have stated their intentions in one of the most prestigious tournaments in the game. And Argentina, beware, no African nation has ever won Olympic gold in men's football. But Nigeria, after this incredible escape and this incredible victory, will surely feel that their time has come. Brazil are out.
The orange citrus species, member of the herbs family. Did you know that orange is a good source of vitamin C, which is an essential nutrient for humans? Did you also know that orange contains vitamin A, which is important for human growth and development? The light has the fruit's goodness of orange for that juicy refreshment. The light fruit juice, delightfully refreshing. Comes in 4 exciting variants of orange juice, berry drink, mixed fruits, and apple nectar.
My name is still your USC Soccer Lifelines with the Ogbonga program. Biola with the Enter the Catch Them Young segment. Our president just make our young boys them, he eaglets them, he give them MON.
Yeah, member of the Order of the Niger.
Honestly, that won a national award. And meanwhile, I did here.
You know the hustle since.
I know the hustle since.
You've been making Nigeria proud for a long time,
brother. But make we just think, what do you think? These boys now under 17 then be.
Yeah.
At least according to the tournament where they go for.
Yeah.
The team follow the affected Hanacho today. Now if not, if they don't they play for better teams.
Yes.
Then. Even for the, so, but what do you can't think? Why then go give them this kind big title?
I feel say before, you know, for young people, the incentives suppose different. You know, they can't be 17-year-olds and you don't give them MON. You can give a lot of them a sense of achievement too early. They don't win World Cup, you don't give them small money, you don't take style, encourage them. We suppose just move on. You know, we suppose just move on. There will be the first group of under 17 boys who will give them MON. Because they win under 17 World Cup. Quite honestly, now here, now we they make noise about under 17. The true measure of how well the team is doing. Now when you win senior World Cup.
Yes.
All those boys they're small. They're still too small.
Okay.
They're small. If you look at them, they're small.
Biola, you are very right. I agree with you.
Yeah.
Two things. One, MON without EY is useless. When you know complete them, the money never complete. So make presidency complete the MON.
No, they don't first give
They
them
don't
EY.
give them
They don't give them EY.
So now,
they just put MON.
Now, if they talk to them too small, Nobel laureate, why in work all in life now to get attainment and encouragement?
Yeah.
You see, if these boys did this age, we then give them MON. Now be say waiting there after MON, then go the ginger to go win that World Cup to collect that other level. If Aki and Popo, where as in day Sophie collect MON.
Now true, then collect
my brother forget. This one's 17-year-old or not.
That will be Aki and Popo, you know, that's
And they come here and finish it. May I finish
17.
I know they talk age. We don't agree say age is nothing but a number. If one 17-year-old girl now can't do your body to you go remember her age.
Yes.
You not go give her MON, commander of the father of the land. You not go give them all the titles. Okay, these boys, the encouragement, not only money. You get some things. You know, say this generation now things don't they change. In those days, person go aspire as a physician, scientist, or anything to collect big titles. But as a young boy now, this new generation, entertainment don't they open up. And
yes.
So as an MON 17-year-old boy, what do you think say other boys where they drop out of school where no get focus we do? They look okay, like say football don't they get recognition. If this MON don't they enter cook, driver, 17-year-old football player. Let me say we don't they change job vocation for people and they respect other disciplines. So it's not too bad. And because sometimes, you know, that young age, if somebody don't say, man, from young age, they don't they respect everything they do. I go aspire to do better when they grow old. So it's not too bad. It's not too bad. It's not too bad.
The guru. It talk sense. The only thing when me I go just talk for this matter be say they no follow give me. That's just the only thing
they can pay your own.
You go reach us.
Okay,
but me, They think even an MON. Maybe they add EY to my
Alright, so we come back now, then we'll go quickly check on top of social media. No go anywhere. Our people they talk and say, know how when the nose won't be reach when danger come, you know if you smell them. USC Soccer Lifeline, the Obonga program where you they hear all the etc things them will concern the world of soccer.
You know say I played that ball as goal for my mind.
As one guy won't score ball, he no score. Make a come open mouth say, ah man, I for score this ball. Now I feel say talk. Say if na me I for score this ball. Now they look me. You say waiting. Make I say I for score this ball. I shut up. I feel continue. What were you saying?
USC Soccer Lifeline. My name is Dayo. Make I catch you for TV, nothing mega.
Sometimes, following your heart takes a lot of sacrifice. Protecting your heart even takes a greater sacrifice of denying yourself the little pleasures of life. But the good news is, you can protect your heart without denying yourself the little pleasures of mouth-watering and tasty meals with Grand Pure Soya Oil. Grand Pure Soya Oil is made with high-quality soya beans rich in vitamin A and contains no cholesterol. So go ahead and eat to your heart's desire. Grand Pure Soya Oil is endorsed by the Nigerian Heart Foundation as the heart-friendly oil and now comes in a brand new bottle. Grand Pure Soya Oil, the heart-friendly oil.
Now still USC Soccer Lifelines, that way we just did so. Make we just run, just quickly enter some of the messages then where people don't send to us on top of social media, on top this matter we will discuss today. I am Sonny Amechi sending on to that Liverpool match with Middlesbrough. Intact saying, it was like hell. Honestly speaking, I was expecting the two coaches to come and play their own penalty.
Because you know it's all the 11 players play. Then they can start all over again. Who missed before? But
then another person can send the only Olu Afolabi. It talks say the League Cup is getting tougher on a yearly basis as the quest to win silverware for clubs is so high these days. Then another person can write in on here. It talks say Da Sage Prince Mido talks say Capital One Cup are for low-rated teams. Time for Arsenal to focus on going further in the UCL, contending for the EPL and defending his FA Cup. Just like you just take talk, FA Cup, that key for them.
FA Cup. Now FA Cup you go be, I know like EPL had and Champions League and I know go area. I don't even think say apart from maybe Chelsea, I don't think there's anything for England for champ because of all those guys, all those Bayern, Real, Barcelona, those guys are tough. No be smart thing. No be smart thing.
All right, Tom.
Well, nothing strong like Monkey Post, no matter how they play all this one. Monkey Post nicely tough pass.
But you say I no be Monkey Post now organized football at high level.
For those of you where they there, we want to follow us on top of our Facebook page. Make you just go facebook.com/USC Soccer Lifelines. And then if you want to watch some of the other episodes then we don't show now before, if you go on top of our YouTube page, make you subscribe there. Then also make you come watch them there. Now just youtube.com/user/USC Soccer Lifelines. Now so you go take me today till we go Germany again. Same time. I never end show now. Wait now.
Yes,
Finish now.
You don't disturb me now.
Go play Monkey Post.
Now so you go to just take me today. No vex, Jerry. Now so you go just take me today till we go Germany again. Same time, same station next week. Don't forget to my name Nayo and Hotspot now in package this one for UAC and I then do this one for now. It go be. Bye bye now.